Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this quick video, I will show you how to transfer USDT from one Bybit account to another Bybit account without paying any fees, whether you are sending to a friend or moving funds between your own accounts. This video is actually for you, so let's get into it. The next thing we need to do is to head over to our Bybit account. Now, once you get to your Bybit account, then make sure you move to your assets. Then we are on our assets now. Now, I have 33 USDT on my unified trading account. So before you make any transfer from Bybit to Bybit, you have to make sure your USDT is on your funding wallet. So now, I will go over to my unified trading account. On my unified trading, I actually have about 25 USDT. So the next thing you need to do is to touch this USDT. When you touch it, then you transfer, click on transfer. So you transfer from your unified trading to your funding account. Anytime you want to make any transfer from one Bybit to another, either to your friends or within your own account, you have to make sure that your funds are on your funding wallet. So now we have to interchange this and make the unified trading up and the funding account down, because that's where we are sending to. Now I'll have to click on maximum USDT. You have to touch, it depends on the amount of USDT you are sending to the Bybit account. So let's assume I'm sending just 1 USDT. And you see me, this process, this method is actually free. Whenever you are transferring USDT or any coin or any token, whenever you are transferring any token from one Bybit to another, you won't pay any fee as long as you are using the internal transfer. So once we transfer from unified trading to funding account, you will just click on confirm. Then we'll go back to our wallet, to our assets. Now we have one USDT on our funded account. So we'll proceed to click on the funded account. Now we are on the funding account. We'll touch our USDT. Then this method now that we've touched our USDT, the next thing we need to click on is withdraw, not transfer. Withdraw, because we are withdrawing from one Bybit account to another, and we'll touch the withdraw. Once you touch the withdraw, we are not going to be using the on-chain transfer. On-chain transfer means when you are sending from Bybit to either another exchange or another different crypto wallet. But once it's whenever you are transferring from one Bybit account to another Bybit account, the method you are going to use is the internal transfer. Then this on-chain transfer, on-chain withdrawal, whenever you are doing on-chain withdrawal, you have to pay some gas fees. But whenever you are using internal transfer, which is from Bybit to another Bybit, you won't be paying any fee. It's totally free. So let's proceed. We are transferring USDT. They have 3 methods of receiving the token, either with your email, your mobile, or your UID. For this method, for this video, I'll be using my second account UID. So I'll proceed to go and copy the UID. This is another Bybit account of mine. I want to show you how to copy your UID from your Bybit account. When you are on your Bybit account, this is your home, this is market, this is trade, this is in, and this is asset. Whenever you want to copy your UID, make sure you're on your home, the home icon. Then you proceed to this icon up here. Once you open your profile, then you copy your UID here. Now that I've copied my UID, I'll proceed to the other account to teach you how to transfer USDT from one account to another. Now that I've copied my UID, I'll paste it, I'll touch the UID, then paste it. Now, minimum withdrawal amount is 1, so we actually have 1, so we are on the right track. And remember, we are not paying any fee for this withdrawal. So I'll proceed to click on maximum. Then, I'll proceed to click on maximum. So the next thing we need to do is to click on withdraw. So once I click on withdraw, I'll see this, confirm. Then I'll proceed to my email to get my verification code, then put my Google Authenticator, then finally click on confirm. Then my wallet application has been submitted. So, okay, now let's check if the $1 we transferred from the other Bybit account to this account has arrived. It's very fast, so then we'll move over to funding. If we check the funding, we see that we received 1 USDT. So the 1 USDT we sent to this wallet has arrived. So this is it. And that is it, guys. Super easy, no fees, and instant transfer. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple crypto guides like this.